The biggest difference between photography and videography is that you cannot change shutter speed while filming. A lot of photographers making videos for the first time are like, if you don't have enough light, just, change the shutter speed. I'm like, nah, because it's moving pictures, okay? If you film a flower that doesn't move, okay, you can change the shutter speed, but not if you have somebody running and talking, doing something, okay? Video is a motion. You cannot mess with shutter speed. This is something that you just don't change, only if you increase the frame rate. But if you don't change the shutter speed. If you don't have enough light, get some light. Okay. If you don't have enough light in videography, the solution is not to change your shutter speed, okay? Why? I'm gonna show you why. If you change it, your motion is gonna become like a LSD trip, train spotting sort of shit. If you change it way high, way quick, it's gonna look like a freaking Charlie Chaplin movie, okay? So don't mess with that. Have a look. You can change a lot of things and fix a lot of things in the post-production, but shutter speed is baked in. There's nothing you can do about it in Premiere Pro. Your footage is forever screwed. So again, do not change your shutter speed. Once you change the frame rate, your camera changes the shutter speed automatically. So do me a favor, do not ever touch it yourself if you don't understand what it does. So if you're a photographer and you are filming something and you don't have enough light, just forget shutter speed, just forget it. Or if you have too much light, forget it. If you found this video helpful, use the thanks button to say thank you. And I'll see you next time. If you want to improve your videos because you feel like they're not doing good, they could do better, but you don't know where's the problem, send them to me and I give you the expertise. I tell you exactly what's working, what's not working, why, what to do about it, strategy, content ideas for the future, equipment advice. This can be social media overall, this can be specific video, podcast, whatever audio video. If you want to know more about this, get it done in 24 hours, all right? I'm here for you. Check out the link in the description of this video.